Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before you are watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your Windows 11 profile photo and activate Windows 11. To activate Windows 11, first we are going to download the program. This program, KMSpico. Just double click. Then double click the KMSpico. We're giving a password. The password is 2021. Now click OK. Press yes. So now the Windows is activating. Just wait. The registry file is patching. Please wait until to activate the Windows. It's almost 39. Click next. Check this one. Click next. Click next. Click next. So guys, when you are activating Windows 11, you must deactivate your computer internet. If you not deactivate your computer network, then you cannot activate your Windows. So yes, so press any key. So my Windows 11 is activated. Now I want to show you how to change your profile photo. Just click the start button, then click your username, change account setting. Now before you are activating Windows 11, these two options, camera, browse for one, both of them are deactivated. To activate these two options, you must activate your Windows. Now I am browsing for one. Search the photo you want to set in your profile. I am setting this photo. Choose picture. So the photo is selected. With this way you can change your profile photo and activate your Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel videos.